Hello everybody and welcome back to Sincerely Grace. So today I am taking you guys along with me on my hair journey. So today I'm getting my hair colored, I'm getting my old extensions taken out, and I'm getting new extensions, longer extensions put in. I also stopped by a Target to pick out an outfit for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is next Tuesday. Don't know when this video will be up. I am hoping the week of Thanksgiving, so hopefully Sunday or tomorrow. Basically today is Saturday, so hopefully on Sunday, if not on Monday, I'll go ahead and try to put this video up. It's not a very long video, but I did want to take you along with me on this journey. So yeah guys, let's get started. I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, so I am about to head out. I am going to go get my hair done. I am actually getting my current extensions removed, getting longer extensions, and coloring my hair. So I thought I'd bring you along. But quickly, I want to go ahead and show you my outfit of the day. So I am wearing some Saint Laurent sandals, some Zella leggings, and a BP sweater. I will go ahead and link everything, or as much as I can, down in the description box. But yeah guys, I thought I'd bring you along. Don't know if I'm gonna film everything exactly, but I wanted to bring you along with my day. So let's go. Okay guys, so I am actually on my way to my hair appointment, and my hair person just texted me, let me know for me to go in basically 30 minutes later, which is fine. I am actually going to stop by Target first because I don't have a Thanksgiving outfit, and Thanksgiving is already next week. So I'm gonna go in there, browse, see if I can find anything, and then I will be on my way to my hair appointment. So I thought I'd bring you along. I'm going to try and film in Target and kind of try to talk to you guys in Target, but I don't know if I will get shy, so let's see. Okay guys, so I am now driving home. I got out of my appointment and I am in love with my hair. So it has never been this long. So I got my hair dyed. I took my old extensions out, and so yeah, I took my old extensions out, which were shorter than these, and I got longer extensions, and I am just in love, guys. I love it. Love, 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 love the thickness of it, love the color of it, just overall love. So whenever I get home, I will go ahead and do like a closer up. Right now, like I said, I'm in the car. So yeah guys, I will go ahead and show you more up close and go a little bit more into detail about the process. Okay guys, so I just made it home and I wanted to show you guys my hair. Oh my goodness, I am just so obsessed with it. So this is the longest that I've ever had my hair. Love the color of it, love the length. I definitely don't know what took me so long to get extensions this long. I want to say these are the 24-inch. Before I had, it was either the 18-inch or the 20-inch, and I think I'm definitely sticking with the 24-inch. I don't know, something about the length just makes you look so much more put together, more glam. I'm just here for it. So what I did is I had my old extensions taken out. I got my hair colored, and then they obviously put the new longer extensions. And then he added layers into my hair, which, oh my goodness, guys. Can you guys tell I'm excited? I mean, look at how long my hair is. It's like, it's pretty long. Yeah, guys, I am just so obsessed. So earlier in this video, I did go ahead and show you guys that I went into Target. So I did grab a few things. So I want to show you what I picked up. So yeah, guys, let me show you what I got. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you guys what I picked up from Target. So I grabbed a few things. Like I stated earlier in this video, Thanksgiving is next Thursday. Today, well, this Thursday coming up. Today is Saturday. So I didn't really have an outfit, but yeah, I have been buying a couple of things here and there. So whenever I saw these, I was like, okay, I can base my outfit around this. So I need to try it all on together just to make sure that it looks good. So first of all, I picked up these tights. So I have been wanting some just black nylons type of thing. So I saw these and I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and grab these. So I grabbed this, and then I also grabbed these boots that I think are gonna look so cute with the skirt that I have. So these are the boots, guys. So these are, I don't even know what this is, like a rubberish leather, imitation leather probably, boots that I got from Target. And these were $40, and I think this is really a really good price for the boot. Let me go ahead and grab the skirt that I am planning on wearing with this and basically show you like my whole outfit that I am picturing in my mind. Okay guys, so I went to go grab it from my room, well, from my closet. And look at the skirt. So I ordered this, I want to say it was Macy's, so I will go ahead and link everything down below. But I am picturing this, these nylons, and then these boots, and then like a thinner sweater, and then tucked in the front. I just think it's gonna look so cute. Or even like this cream color, like pull this out, this brownish color, and then with my long gorgeous hair. Oh my goodness, guys, I cannot wait. I am just so obsessed with my hair, you do not even know. Whenever he had finished putting my extensions on and he blow dried everything, and just looks so cute. He also recommended some kind of like not blow dryer, but it's like one of those little blow dryer roll thingies. I don't even know how to explain it. I'll go ahead and link it down below, and then you'll be like, oh, that's what she was talking about. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of research and go and purchase one of those, because with my long hair like this, I think I might start wearing it more on the straighter side. I don't know, I'm just completely obsessed with my hair. I just think it looks so gorgeous. But yeah, guys, that is all for today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed taking you along with me. I was shy on like filming inside of the salon, but hopefully the more I do it, the more I will be more comfortable filming. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye.